Hey guys, this is Mike with DEKit. We're at the legendary Maid of the Mist at Niagara Falls in New York. We've currently outfitted both of their new electric vessels with 5mm black DEKit. We did the top deck of the first vessel last year. Over 2 million customers have set foot on that deck, and over 100,000 tons of water from Niagara Falls has splashed its water on that deck. And we are finishing the install today, and we're doing both the top and the bottom deck. All the patrons, the millions of customers that utilize Maid of the Mist to see the beautiful Niagara Falls, they're getting a non-skid, non-slippery. The feedback has been it's easier to clean, it's durable, the customers like it, and it's aesthetically very, very pleasing.